Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share another quick and easy breakfast or lunchbox recipe for weight loss. Let us start with the recipe. Heat 1 spoon of desi ghee or any cold pressed oil of your choice. For this add 1 spoon of jeera or cumin seeds and 8 to 10 peppercorns. You can increase or decrease the number of peppercorns. Salt for a while. Now take a fistful of Mexican mint. It is also called as Karpuravalli in Sanskrit and Doddapatre in Kannada. Coleus aromaticus is the botanical name. It is also called as Indian borage. It has many medicinal property. It is commonly used as home remedy for cold and cough in small babies. It is especially good for skin diseases because it is an excellent blood purifier. It detoxifies the body. It defends against cold, eases the pain of arthritis, relieves stress and anxiety, improves digestion, treats certain kinds of cancer, and regular intake regulates menstrual cycle. Now it is almost done. Switch off the gas and allow it to cool. In a small mixie jar, take 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated fresh coconut, peanut-sized tamarind, and cooked leaves. Grind it to form coarse paste without adding water and keep it aside. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any cold pressed oil in an iron pan. For this add half spoon of mustard seeds, half spoon of cumin seeds, half spoon of urad dal, half spoon of chana dal, 3 to 4 tablespoons of peanuts. Roast for a while. Add 2 to 3 twigs of curry leaves. Now add ground masala and give a nice mix. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and give a quick mix. Now add pre-cooked millet. Here I am using same or little millet. You can use any millet of your choice. Before cooking millet, you have to soak it for 6 to 8 hours and then you can cook it on stove top or with pressure cooker. Little millet is specially good for diabetic, obese and hypertensive people. It is gluten-free alkaline food with low glycemic index, rich in potassium, phosphorus and calcium. Give a quick mix. Super healthy breakfast. Mexican mint rice with millet is ready to serve. Serve your family healthy breakfast. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.